Every one of us has experienced the feeling of relief when we finally find the perfect solution to a challenging problem. Sound professional advice can save us time, money, and most of all, stress. International relocation to or from the United States can be an expensive, time-consuming, and stressful undertaking. The challenges around this endeavor can be amplified by the various issues which require professional advice. Expert international tax, legal, and financial advisors are very hard to come by, and misinformation can be costly. Few professionals specialize in these specific areas, and while proficient in their areas of practice, there's a lack of collaboration between the experts guiding you towards your goal, which can result in expensive errors. State Bird Corp is a global financial cross-border consulting company designed to help you confidently navigate the challenges of international relocation and achieve your cross-border financial, lifestyle, and business goals. We operate at the intersection of international tax, legal, and financial planning advice, orchestrating these skill sets into interdisciplinary solutions. We provide our clients with multifaceted cross-border plans and oversee the execution of these plans by the professional service providers in our network, which include immigration, tax, and corporate attorneys, as well as accountants and insurance professionals. We are particularly focused on international relocation with deep experience in assisting executives and business owners relocate to the United States with their families. In the cross-border world, there is an abundance of opportunities. It takes an ensemble of professionals working in concert to take advantage of these powerful taxation and investment tools. Working with a team that understands how to access these benefits can make a world of difference. In the same way individual instruments can be played together in harmony, State Bird Corp coordinates key professionals to create and execute cross-border plans for our clients that are as unique as their fingerprints.